The digital marketplace is a bustling, crowded space, teeming with countless businesses vying for the same audience's attention. Businesses compete for attention across a multitude of platforms, from social media to search engines and everything in between. Standing out can feel daunting, especially when every brand is trying to make its mark with flashy ads and persuasive content. It's easy to get lost in the noise, where your message can be drowned out by the sheer volume of competing voices. But differentiation is key to success. Crafting a unique identity and a clear message is essential to capture and retain customer attention. Without a unique identity, your brand fades into the background, becoming just another name in a sea of competitors. Customers are bombarded with messages every day, from emails to social media notifications, making it harder for any single message to stand out. A clear, compelling brand message cuts through the clutter, resonating with your audience and making a lasting impression. ONPASSIVE provides tools to help your business rise above the fray, offering innovative solutions to ensure your brand stands out in the crowded digital landscape. But before we get started, please help me out and remember to subscribe, like and comment below. Thanks. Niche marketing is essential for any business looking to stand out in today's competitive landscape. In a crowded digital space, it's not enough to just have a great product or service. It involves focusing on a specific segment of the market, which means identifying a group of people with particular needs and interests. This segment has particular needs and interests that are not being fully met by the broader market. ONPASSIVE's AI tools can help you pinpoint your ideal niche by analyzing vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. Understanding your audience is just as crucial as finding your niche. Knowing their pain points allows you to tailor your message and offer solutions that resonate with them on a deeper level. ONPASSIVE's analytics tools provide valuable audience insights, helping you understand their behavior, preferences, and needs. This data empowers you to create targeted campaigns that speak directly to your audience, increasing engagement and conversion rates. By addressing specific needs, you establish your expertise and build a loyal customer base that trusts your brand. A strong brand identity is crucial for differentiation. It encompasses your values, voice, and visual style. Consistency is key across all platforms. ONPASSIVE's AI can help maintain this consistency. A unique brand personality helps you connect with your audience. Are you playful or professional, bold or understated? ONPASSIVE's tools can help you communicate your brand story effectively. This fosters brand loyalty and recognition. Section 4. Omnichannel marketing for maximum reach. Omnichannel marketing means reaching your audience across multiple platforms. This includes social media, email, and search engines. ONPASSIVE provides tools to manage these diverse channels. This approach ensures maximum visibility for your brand. You can tailor content for each platform. ONPASSIVE's AI can automate and optimize these processes. This saves time and resources while maximizing reach. Section 5. Leveraging ONPASSIVE's AI for marketing success. ONPASSIVE's AI tools empower businesses to navigate the digital landscape with ease and efficiency. These advanced tools are designed to help you stay ahead in a competitive market. They provide data-driven insights for informed decisions, allowing you to understand your audience better and tailor your strategies accordingly. Automation features streamlined marketing tasks, saving you time and resources. This means you can focus more on creative and strategic aspects of your business. ONPASSIVE's AI can analyze customer behavior and predict trends, giving you a deeper understanding of market dynamics. This allows you to adapt your strategies for optimal results, ensuring that your marketing efforts are always aligned with current trends and customer preferences. By leveraging these tools, you gain a competitive edge in the digital market, positioning your business for success. ONPASSIVE empowers you to achieve sustainable growth, helping you reach new heights and milestones in your business journey. For more information about ONPASSIVE and how it will help you make money, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.